UNI-T Europe.
UTS3000A Signal Analyzer.
Welcome to UNI-T training. Let's look at the frequency modulation analysis and analog demodulation. First, let the signal generator send out a modulation signal with a base of 60 MHz, a modulated wave of 1 MHz, and a frequency offset of 200 kHz. Let's go back to the UTS3000A screen. Set the mode to Analog Modulation Analysis, or Analog Demod. In the measurement menu, select FM Modulation. Open Frequency menu. Set the center frequency to 60 MHz. On the RF spectrum, the green window lines is the passing bandwidth. Set the span to 5 MHz. In this case, we can see the frequency domain plot of the FM signal in the RF spectrum window. AF stop frequency set to greater than 1 MHz. Now there is nothing in the modulation window wave. The reason is that we set the wrong channel bandwidth. Go to the BW menu. Adjust the resolution of the RF and AF window accordingly. Set the channel bandwidth to 3 MHz. The waveform is visible in the modulated wave window. Here we can adjust the reference level a bit to make the signal fully displayable in the AF spectrum window. Now the signal is fully displayed in the AF spectrum window. Adjust the demod waveform window. You can adjust the scale/division as necessary up or down to make the full waveform visible in the demod waveform, as shown here. Making the scale at 20 kHz is still not enough. Let's raise it to 100 kHz. Now you can see the full waveform in the viewing screen. Then go to the Sweep menu. Turn down the scan time. A clear modulated waveform can be seen at this time. In the data window at the lower right corner, you can see the analyzed data, the frequency offset, the modulated wave information, and other data. Click on the window to zoom in. If needed, you can also use the peak function to quickly locate the peak information of the carrier and modulated waves.